Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Realme C33, and now I'm gonna show you how to reset DRM, how to reset credentials on this device. So firstly, open Settings application, then scroll down, then find Security, scroll down again, choose Encryption and Credentials, scroll down and choose Clear Credentials. Click OK and confirm your pattern, and that's it. Credential storage was successfully restored. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.